Hi everyone. Today I will be showing you how to replace and install a window switch in a 2015 Dodge Dart. So this is the switch. It comes like this in a little box, and mine came with a tool to remove it. And I'm so excited it's here because I messed this one up, the driver's side. So let's get started. Okay, that's it. We fixed the window switch. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. And if you are interested in tarot readings, inspirational messages, and any other little lifestyle achievements like videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Okay? Peace.